We're running some steak.
Can you look at what the cat? Al, pick him up so he can see the cat.
Oh, you want to see the cat, Nick?
Talk. Oh no, he wants to see the camera.
Camera?
He wants to see the camera.
That's what I heard attack. Hey.
No, you know why he's doing that.
Chris
was messing with him.
Oops, I think I missed him. Oh well. Took you long enough.
Right, so nervous.
Watch the strap on the side.
Did you put a new one in there?
New battery.
No, I mean a new tape.
I didn't change it?
No, because I have stuff on there. I don't know if I want you to take.
Shoot it.
Hello. Ah!
She brought the kids this time. Yeah.
All right. Hey, Blake. How's it going, sir? High five.
Too many people.
Nick's good to check out.
Blake, this is Nick. Nick, this is Blake. Nick's like roaming in the park, shooting guns.
Yeah.
And getting bit by sand fleas. Look at the one on the back of his leg. Come here, Nick. Come here.
Wow.
What, did I steal your seat?
Oh, he's had a lot of them.
Yeah, he does. Sure. They're all over his back on the right side. Okay.
Right above his back. Wait a minute.
Sand fleas.
Alan, don't.
Well, they sit next to each other in the park.
Backyard
Now
party.
she can grab him, and so now all they do is fight. So I'm like, so I gotta separate them.
Yeah. Well, it's not safe to put him in the front.
No, I have two bench seats in the van, and I took one out to give me more room. Now I'm gonna have to put the other one back in so I can separate them.
Put him in the back, her in the middle. And then I'll throw things at him.
He's the good one. She's the terror.
Yeah, okay. Alan, what do you want you to think?